So, I did a thing. I sneakily redid Kim K's private sitting room, and she doesn't know it yet. Until now. Hi and welcome back to the channel. That was a bit of a dramatic intro, but I did redo Kim K's private sitting room in 3D, of course. I'm sure most people have already seen what Kim K's house looks like, but if you haven't, let me show you. This is the home Kim K and Kanye shared before they split up. It's very cream and white, very minimal and futuristic looking. Kanye described the style as a futuristic Belgian monastery. They hired very famous designers and architects to collaborate with the design of their home, one of which was Axel Vervoordt. Axel Vervoordt has the most amazing style, really textural, it's got that real lived-in feel, and it's also really minimal. There have been some really mixed reviews on Kim K's home. Some people love it, some people absolutely hate it. One person even described it as a rich mental asylum. It's a bit harsh. People even went as far as to Photoshop like really kitsch looking things into her home just to fill it up. In her house tour with Vogue magazine, she described how there is already so much chaos in the world, and when she comes home, she just wants her home to feel really peaceful and calm and quiet, and that is why her home is so minimal. Her home does look a little bit bare, but there are some really beautiful elements in her home. I thought it would be a really fun idea to see what it would look like with a bit more stuff in her home, not kitschy stuff of course. So I chose her private sitting room, which she described as her favorite room in the house. The first thing I noticed in her house tour is that she kind of walks into the back of her sofa and she has to walk around it. So the first thing I want to do is change up the layout of her furniture. This is her current layout. And I feel like I should just mention, since I don't have access to her floor plans or her space, all the dimensions were guessed based off photos I managed to get from the internet, so don't hate on me if it's not 100% accurate. Okay, here we go. I'm going to take one of the armchairs out and move her sofa so that it faces the fireplace. I'm going to do an axle and put a tree in the corner behind the armchair and add a floor lamp. She has this trunk that her mom made her where she keeps all her special memories from her childhood, and that is of course going to stay in the room. I added a new coffee table. I wanted to add something dark to add a bit more depth to that area. I really felt like it needed something a bit more rustic, so I added a reclaimed timber top console in this corner with the most beautiful alabaster wall sconce above it. The fireplace was screaming for a large format artwork, so I chose an artwork that is super textural with tones that would complement the rest of the room. And that is the extent of the furniture. The room already had such a good foundation, and I wanted to still keep the room looking quite minimal, to suit the clients. She's probably gonna see my design and be like, I hate it, or where did you put my other armchair? Or she might be like, I love it. Can you do the rest of my house? In which case I will gladly do so. Anyways, enough of the blabbering. I'm sure you are dying to see what the after looks like. So just a little recap. This is what the before looked like. And this is the after. So, let me know what you think of the design. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Again, this is just for fun, nothing serious. I just love to see what spaces look like redone, and I wanted to do hers. If you enjoyed this video, let me know if there are any other celebrities' homes you would like to see redone. Obviously, don't send me homes that already look amazing and beautiful. Not saying that Kim's home is not amazing, it just looked a little bit unfinished. Thanks again for watching. Please give this video a like and a share, and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!